Hey cool cats, this daddy-o just built this mid-century modern table. You know, adding epoxy resin to woodworking is a trend that has grown and seems to be here to stay. Here you can use your woodworking skills to build a resin-topped table. Let me show you how. The core of this table is 2 pieces of 3/4 inch Baltic birch plywood laminated together. Through the magic of video editing, we were able to condense the building process of this table to just a few minutes. But back in the shop, it took several days. And the amount of sanding it took to get this top where we wanted it was significant. I sanded with micro mesh up to 12,000 grit. I don't know about you, but this neato project really razzed my berries. If you'd like to learn how to build it, there's step-by-step instructions in the May-June 2022 issue of Woodworker's Journal. Perhaps this video has piqued your interest in using resin in woodworking. I'm Rob Johnstone from Woodworker's Journal. Thank you for watching.